Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I haven't uploaded a video for the last 3 months. The last one I did was the end of December, beginning of January. And that's because I've actually been moving house. I've sold my house, I've moved. You might notice the new backdrop. I'm in a completely different place. So yeah, we're going to dig into a little bit of that today, the property side of things, because I'm not just on about stocks on this channel. Yeah, you're going to be following me on my entire property journey as well. So let's jump into the video and we'll talk about property. So guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to try not to make this video too long for you today. We're basically just going to talk about property that I've sold. And we're going to look at the figures of what I bought it for 2 years ago, what I've sold it for this week or this last couple of months. And then we'll look at what the future holds and where I plan on going from here. So let's jump into the phone and we'll take a look at the property that I've just sold. Hi guys, so here we are. This is the house I've sold. It's a 2-bedroom masonette. You might notice that wall, that's where I normally film from, on that settee. It's like a diner living room all in one. And we've got the kitchen. I did do the kitchen up when I moved in. I retiled and painted, but that's about it really. Got the new white goods in. The property was sold with the white goods. And this is the master bedroom. Just quite a huge space. Don't know if it really does it justice. Got like a little storage cupboard in there. Second bedroom, which is another double bedroom. And again, it's a huge size, doesn't do it justice. And another big storage in there. And then we've got the bathroom lastly. Bath and shower. So yeah guys, that's it, that's the house. Yeah, so some important things about the house. I moved in 2 years ago and I bought it for £65,000, 65. I did do a bit of decorating, but nothing too much really. I haven't spent anything really. I'd probably say over the 2 years I've spent £5,000. Nothing more than you normally spend in a normal house doing it up. And yeah, I put it on the market a couple of months ago, and it sold on day one for full asking price, £90,000. So yeah, in 2 years I've made £25,000 profit, which is not bad really. It's £1,000 a month, isn't it? It's gained me over 24 months. So yeah, that's the house. We'll jump back into the new place that I'm staying and I'll let you know about that. So that's the house that I've sold guys. Just to put some figures on for you, I bought it for £65,000 2 years ago. I put a big deposit down of £15,000 as well. So I put it on the market a few months ago. I was advised for 90. Well, I was advised for 85,000, but they said the market's so good, let's try and push for 90. And within the first day of going on Rightmove, it sold for full asking price, £90,000. And so that's going to leave me with a profit of about £25,000 in 2 years. It's not bad really for a little flat that I was living in for 2 years. The intention was to sell it, to pull out some big money because I knew it was undervalued. But yeah, when you think about it, that's £1,000 a month that flat has made me, which is great, really. And with the money of the deposit being pulled out, I should have £35,000 to £40,000 after costs to play around with afterwards. So yeah, it's pretty good, really. I'm pretty happy with that. The plans going forward is I'm looking for 2 more properties with that money in Ollerton. The rents are good in this area, Nottingham, Edwinstowe, Sherwood Forest area. We're right on Sherwood Forest. The rents are really good. There's not a lot of house stock around. So I'm hoping to get a 3-bed semi-detached and then maybe a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment in Ollerton on interest-only mortgages with that £35,000 to £40,000. And then hopefully in the next couple of years, I'm looking to get that 3rd property, and that will give me enough income to then do what I want to do, which is to move abroad. Links below to the other channel I have, I'll tell you all about that in there. So yeah, that's the plan. In terms of the 2 houses I'm looking to get, the 3-bed semi I'm looking to get around £650 a month profit, £650 a month rental, and the 1 or 2 bed apartment I'm looking for about £450 a month, which will give me a income of about £1,100. Now minus mortgages from that and other bits and bobs, I should come away with about £750 a month profit from that. And then obviously when I get the 3rd house, the plan is to get another 3-bed semi, something like that, and that will bump that up to about £1,100 a month profit after all costs. So that's the medium to short term view. 2 houses this year, hopefully, a 3rd in the next year and a half too, and then I'll be ready to slow down and move abroad. Let's just look at why I moved, and we'll look at the breakdown of my new costs in the new place that I'm in right now. Okay, so I've currently moved into my workplace at the minute. It's quite a stable place to live. I actually work for my father. He runs the restaurant that I work in. I'm currently paying £60 a week for this entire flat. It's a 3-bedroom flat. It's about twice as big as the one I was living in myself. And all I've got is my broadband and internet, which is why I've not posted for 3 months. Unfortunately, I've had some trouble getting my line connected with my broadband, but it's all sorted now, as you can see, you're watching me. So yeah, that's costing about £40 a month. So yeah, £60 a week rent and £40 a month for the broadband. As you can tell, my 2 new houses that I'm looking at buying will easily cover the cost of that living, and I'm also working 35-40 hours a week as well, saving all that money up for a 3rd deposit. So with no outgoings at all really, I've only really got my mobile phone and a bit of car stuff, but it's not a lot of money really. My costs have been dramatically reduced, and hopefully, yeah, 2 years time I'll be able to save that deposit for that 3rd house. Also, on a quick note, my investing. So during this move, I have been short on money. I am furloughed still at the minute. I'm currently being screwed over on furlough at the minute. I'm only getting about 40-35% of my pay. Long story, I won't really go into it. But yeah, I suddenly start back to work on May the 17th, I think it is. Back up to full-time hours. No outgoings at all really, very low outgoings. So the investment side of things with the Trading 212 portfolios, I still have my invest portfolio, my dividend investing, and I still have my growth ISA portfolio with Trading 212. My investments with the dividends portfolio is doing quite well. I'm actually up nearly 10%, which is amazing. I don't know what the last video was. it was in the end of December. I'm not sure how much I was up, but for that whole 9 months before that I'd started investing, I made a return on investment of about 14%. So although that says 10%, that's going to be a lot higher return on investment. I'm going to bring that video out for you tomorrow, hopefully, because I believe it's the last weekend of the month. And this is going to be a whopping 3-month catch-up video for you. So I won't put that in this video, I'll put that in the next video coming up tomorrow. So keep an eye out for it. But yeah, my investments are in the dividend side, is done really well. Like I say, nearly 10% up, that's amazing. Especially with the rockiness of the market at the minute, it's really bad at the minute. However, my growth portfolio in my investment side is looking pretty red at the minute, like probably most of yours. I think I'm just about breaking even on it on Trading 212. Obviously, I've been selling for profit, so I am up on that. I am in the green. It just doesn't show that. But yeah, like everybody else, I've had a tough time. The thing that has really annoyed me about the bad time on the market at the minute is the fact that I've had no spare cash to take advantage of that. Like the first lockdown in April, I missed that crash. I didn't start investing until the end of May, and that was only investing like £50 a month. It wasn't until September last year that I really started ploughing some money in. So I completely missed the crash, and now I've missed this dip as well. So I'm really frustrated about that. I've lost out on some good profits there, I think. But hopefully, if the market stays quite low and stays red for a bit longer, I should be able to start putting more money into that growth portfolio. My growth portfolio is hovering around the £900 now. So I've got about 5,000 invested in total. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. With regards to the stocks, if you want to sign up to Trading 212, I'll leave a link below. Just beware though, guys, that at the minute, they're not accepting new clients, I believe. But if you do register still with the link, they'll put you in a waiting list, and as soon as they open up, I think they have started letting a few through now. So if you're interested in that, I would be eternally grateful, and let me know what free link you get. But I'm going to call that it for the video, guys. It's been a bit of an informative, long, boring video. I apologise for that. Look out for the video tomorrow with the stock update on, and I shall see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.